Hi everyone. So in this video we are going to configure for the production line CSV. So let's quickly open the production line CSV which we have downloaded, and I'll show how your actual CSV file should look like. So I have here added the row number 4 and 5 as I actually had previously added production lines. So I don't want to miss those lines, so I have kept those lines as it is. So in your case you should be adding only the row number 6, which will be unique for your case. Once you have configured the CSV file, just save it. Now open the production monitoring server, and here you can upload the file in which we have made changes. So click on upload new and browse the file which we have recently made. So in our case that file is this one. So open and you will have your production line imported. In the next video we will see how you can configure the CSV file for product routing.